Come and cook with me today. Today I'll be cooking fried chicken, rice and peas, etc. My chicken already cut up. I wash it with some vinegar and I'm gonna add my season to it now. Some season to the bone. I'm gonna add some Maggi, all purpose. My season, I'm gonna rub it. So my chicken already seasoned, so I'm gonna put it down and marinate for a few hours, and then I'll come back and fry my chicken and make my dinner. My peas already in the pot, so I'm gonna add my garlic to it. I'm gonna my cabbage is shredded, so I'm gonna grate my carrot now. So I'm gonna add my vinegar and some sugar. So here's my sugar. I'm gonna add some vinegar to it. I'm gonna mix. I'll add my vinegar and sugar to it, paste to the vegetable. I'm gonna stir. This vegetable already finished, so I'll cover down and wait till dinner is finished. I'm gonna blend my coconut for the rice and peas. So this is my coconut juice. I'm gonna put it in the pot. So I'm gonna add my salt. I'm gonna add some sugar. So here's my rice that I'm gonna cook. Here's a wash one. So I'm gonna add it to my pot now. So my rice in a pot. So I'm gonna cover it down, let it cook. I add some Maggi seasoning to fry my chicken. So this is my flour to fry it. So my chicken is in the pot frying. My rice already steamed. So here's my rice. My chicken already finished. So here's my chicken. I already share my rice and my vegetable. Now I'm gonna add my meat. I'm gonna add my sauce. So here's my sauce. I'm gonna taste some of my rice. I'm gonna add a piece of my chicken. Tastes nice. Please like, share, and subscribe. Turn off my beetroot. I add last cup of food drink, and I put vanilla and almond.